Oh, what do we have here?
Hey, back off! That's my goodie bag. Ugh, an eraser. Raisins in an unsealed sandwich bag. Oh, a parachute guy. Well, he's already tangled. This day started off so great. It was awash in cake and pony boners. Now all I have is this dumb whistle. Doesn't even work. Ah, what the hell? Oh, it's a dog whistle. Ah! I've always wondered what that sounds like to you.
Dog whistle! Dog whistle! Where are you, dog?
Give me that. Hey! Oh, what, you want it? Here, take it. Give it back. Give me it.
No, it's mine now. In fact, I'm gonna put it where you can never reach it.
No!
Good luck, shrimp.
Lucky there's a family guy. Lucky there's a man who positively can do all the things that make us
Laugh and cry.
He's our family.